Today, we will walk through how to change the CPU and memory specifications for a GaussDB instance. As workloads grow, CPU and memory may become performance bottlenecks. You can adjust instance specifications to ensure resources stay aligned with your workload requirements. Before changing instance specifications, keep the following in mind. Before making any changes, make sure the instance is in a normal state. Specifications cannot be changed if the instance or its nodes are abnormal, or if its storage is full. Changing specifications triggers an instance reboot. During this process, the instance will be temporarily unavailable, and all in-memory caches will be automatically cleared. To minimize service disruptions and protect critical workloads, schedule this operation during off-peak hours. When the system is handling heavy loads, the process may take longer. This video tutorial shows how to modify the specifications of an instance. Let's proceed step by step. Step 1. Log into the Management Console. Step 2. Change the specifications of an instance. Step 3. Verify the result. Next, let's see how this works on the console. We'll demonstrate how to scale instance specifications both up and down. Log in to the Management Console. Click the name of the instance to navigate to the Basic Information page. Here, you can check the current instance specifications. Click Change in the Instance Specifications field. On the displayed page, select the required specifications, for example, 8 vCPUs and 32 GB of memory, and click Next. Confirm the configuration and click Submit. The instance status will change to Changing Specifications. Once the status returns to Available, the change is complete. You can view the updated specifications on the Basic Information page. As you can see, the instance has been scaled up to 8 vCPUs and 32 GB of memory. Next, click Change again and change the instance specifications to 4 vCPUs and 16 GB of memory. After the operation is complete, return to the Basic Information page to verify the result. The instance has now been scaled down to 4 vCPUs and 16 GB of memory.